Hey everybody, John with Owl, and today we are going to play a little game. And if you're smart enough, you'll come up with the right answer too. So this is a Wolfbox, and many of you know that we have created our very own fancy-dancy Wolfbox mounting plate that allows you to hard mount your Wolfbox to your Grenadier or your Sprinter. Now, one of the things I didn't know, and I'll say it in this video, so I don't pass the test, is this little camera, it's adjustable. Now you might think I'm the biggest moron on earth for not knowing that. I had no idea. I saw someone adjust it and I was like, oh, that makes sense. So anyway, that's adjustable. Thought I'd tell you that. Now let me ask you this. Now if this stuff is all like this going into your headliner, yes, you can see out the back of your vehicle, but what you see in front of your face is garbage. Now, enter the new cover. Oh, look, you can see me, who can see you, who can see me. Ooh, look at how meta that is. Anyway, this cover, we'll turn it so you can't see yourself. That's awkward. This little cover basically just caps all of those wires. And then on the back, you see you've got a big old hole here to go out into your headliner, etc. And this mounts directly to the holes on the back of your Wolfbox, and in this case it mounts with our bracket. Now it does not mount to the Wolfbox without our mount. This actually looks pretty darn nice, and it's black, and once it's up there and it's kind of shaded against your headliner, you don't really see it anyway. It just cleans everything up so you don't have those wires hanging out. Also, to go along with our new billet bracket that moves the mirror over in the Sprinter. And if you haven't checked out our Grenadier mounts yet, they're these really pretty, this is a sample thing, these really pretty billet aluminum sockets that go onto, this one is unpowdered, but normally it's powdered black. This mounts right here and it allows everything to mount. So the goal is to give you a view out the back of your vehicle, yet the view out the front is as beautiful as ever.